Before you start setting up your Google Classroom, make sure you're logged in with the Google account that you want to use for the classroom. So either you can be logged into Gmail and access Classroom from there, or you can just be logged into your Google account and then type classroom.google.com in the address bar, and you will see the screen where you will have the options to create class or join class. So in this case, you are creating a class. So you click on the plus sign there, or you can click on create class at the bottom. And read through this pop-up window, check the box and continue. And now you can create a class by giving it the name, which of course you need so that you can identify and differentiate between your classes. You can enter a section. Let's say you have 2 or 3 sections of the same class that you offer at different times of the day. The subject, you can either choose from a drop-down list which is available to you, or you can just type in the subject if it's not available in that list. And then of course the room number, or you can type online if it's just an online class. And hit create and it'll create the class for you. Now this is the interface that you'll see when you first create your class. And if you look to the left, you'll see a class code and the option to copy it. Now this is the code that you will email to students so that they can join the class. So go to the People tab. Now from here there are a couple of ways to add students. You can either click the Invite Students link at the bottom, or you can also click at the little sign to the right side. And when you click on either of those, you'll be presented with this little screen, this pop-up screen, where you can choose from a list of existing emails, or you can type a new email and then it'll automatically send the code to students. The other option is, now that your code has already been copied into your clipboard, you can go to Gmail, type in the names of the students that you want to invite to your class, compose a message, and then paste your code in the email and send it to students. So when students receive your email, they click on the code and then they sign on to Google Classroom by joining it. Remember, if you forget to copy the code, you can always go back to classroom.google.com, and when you click on the name of the class that you created, you will see the classroom code to the left, and you can just copy that and paste it into an email. Individual emails, when you send them to students, if you want to add a new student one at a time, the code is always available to you to add. Now, another thing that you can also do is you have an option to add teachers. So let's say you have a co-teacher, an assistant teacher, or a TA. You can invite teachers the same way that you invite students with the code.